angst out here in Foshan, China at a tile manufacturing facility. I'm going to show you how Mosaic tile is made, Mosaic glass tile. You can see it's a big factory. We're going to take you through the various steps and processes to just give you an idea of the labor-intensive process to make glass mosaic tile. The factory in Foshan, glass mosaic factory, starts with these big sheets cut on this table into smaller sections, different size glass for different projects. Walk inside the factory here, you can see it's quite large. So the big sheets of glass are cut into small sections like this first. Different colors, different thicknesses, different sizes. These are all waiting to be cut into the smaller tiles for the mosaics. This is where the glass is colored. It goes through a cleaning process. It's dried with a dryer. It goes down here into a screen process where they apply the ink, paint to the back of it. And it goes down into a heat process here to bake it on the glass. And this is another coat of paint that's put on it. And they're stacking drying racks right here. Next we'll take a piece of glass. Pour it. Pour it. And that breaks it down into pieces. Over here. Where they make the little squares. Once the glass has been cut, it's put on these boards, and these are to be sent to the kiln to be heat treated. They're turning them over here, getting them ready to put on these fireproof boards. Depending on what texture they want on the back as to what boards they choose. And these are all the racks of tiles that are ready to be put into the kiln. How many racks there are of tiles waiting to be melted. Give them different shapes, different textures. And it's pretty much goes on and on. Here all those little tiles are being put into the oven. It's pretty much a never-ending process. It goes through this big, long machine. Be slowly heated. How hot it is. being cooled down here. Massive fans here cooling it down, and then it comes out the other end. So then it's all put into bins of a specific color for assembly. These are the assembly boards where they put it together. There's a mix of different colors. They're put into different places. This one is more difficult because they're all rectangular, and this is the effect she's trying to achieve with it. And what she'll do is putting in the final touches in there, changing them out when she sees her dad. Getting the exact mix that's required by the manufacturer. So anyway, once all the tiles assembled, it's put into where they put on the fiberglass backing on them. This is all where they are bound together in sheets, and they're sent into the oven. They're all talking about me taking videos of them. A little shy. And it goes through a process here. And the last thing that's done is there's a clear plastic sheet so they don't stick together. And on it goes. And they're stacked up ready to be packaged. Over here is where they're cleaned and they're boxed, making sure all the finishes. Oh, ni hao! So, welcome from America. The girls over here are laughing at him. Boxing lady. She's boxing a very unique pattern here. Oh, yes. So she's getting ready to put them in boxes. And of course they're boxed, palletized, and containerized, shipped to various places throughout the world.